Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making healthy Mediterranean salad.
You're going to need 1 chicken breast, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 cloves garlic, 1 tablespoon fresh dill, salt and pepper to taste, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. We're going to start with the fresh dill by cutting it really fine. Mince 2 cloves of garlic. Add olive oil. Then add dill. Salt and pepper, and lemon juice. Mix it well, and with the hand cover the chicken breast. Then cook the chicken breast until it's completely cooked on both sides. Now we're going to start with vegetables. You're going to need 1 head romaine lettuce, half a cup cherry tomato, half cucumber, half a cup feta cheese, half red onion, half a cup olives. We're going to start by cutting the lettuce into small pieces. Then cut cherry tomatoes in half long way. Now it depends on the size of your olives, you can put them all or you can cut them in half just like a cherry tomatoes. Then cut up red onion in small slices. Cut the cucumber in half and then half again and then slice it so you get the little quarter pieces. Add crumbled feta cheese. And then slice the chicken in strips. Now we're going to make a salad dressing. For salad dressing, you're going to need salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons water, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar, 1/3 cup Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon fresh dill, and 1 clove garlic. Again, we're going to start with the fresh dill, cutting it very fine. Then add it to a container that you can put the lid on it with already 2 tablespoons of water in it. Add garlic. Add Greek yogurt. Tablespoon of lemon juice. Olive oil. And 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. On the end, add salt and pepper to taste, about a teaspoon each. Put the lid on it and shake it well. Then spread it evenly on the whole salad. Before you serve it, toss the salad. And there it is, healthy and beautiful.
I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.